Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something really exciting on our hands, the 2026 Honda Civic, but not just any Civic. We're diving into a fully modified version that takes the beloved compact sedan to an entirely new level. If you're a fan of tuning, custom builds, or just want to see how far you can push the limits of a modern car, then you're in for a treat. We're about to break down the custom modifications that make this 2026 Honda Civic a serious contender in the world of modified vehicles. So let's get into it. First up, let's talk about the exterior. Honda's 2026 Civic is already a good-looking car out of the box, with sharp lines and a clean, aggressive stance. But with some well-executed modifications, this Civic is transformed into a head-turning machine. The first noticeable upgrade is the custom body kit. The front bumper is replaced with something more aggressive, with a wider, more pronounced lip that gives the Civic a sportier, more aerodynamic look. The side skirts flow perfectly into the rear, helping with both aesthetics and airflow. Speaking of the rear, a custom diffuser is installed, improving aerodynamics while giving the car a more performance-focused appearance. Next up, the wheels. These aren't just any stock wheels. This modified Civic sports a set of 19-inch multi-spoke alloys in a gloss black finish. These wheels add an extra edge to the car's look and provide improved grip thanks to the low-profile tires that are also part of the upgrade. And let's not forget the brakes. We've got performance drilled and slotted rotors paired with high-performance brake pads, ensuring that the Civic can stop as well as it accelerates. Now, let's talk about the most exciting part of any modification, the engine. The stock 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine in the 2026 Civic is already impressive, but this version has been tuned for even more power. With the addition of an upgraded turbocharger, a custom cold air intake, and a larger intercooler, the car is pushing over 300 horsepower. That's a significant improvement from the factory setup, and it's a noticeable difference when you step on the throttle. The exhaust has also been replaced with a full cat-back performance exhaust system, which not only sounds amazing, but also helps to optimize exhaust flow for better performance. With these modifications, the Civic can accelerate faster and maintain higher speeds with ease. But it's not just about raw power. Handling is equally important, and that's where the suspension comes into play. This modified Civic is equipped with a set of coilover shocks, allowing for a lowered ride height and adjustable dampers. This means you can fine-tune the suspension to match your driving style, whether you're looking for a smoother ride or a more track-ready setup. The lower center of gravity not only improves cornering, but also gives the Civic that aggressive stance that stands out. On the inside, the modifications are just as impressive. As soon as you open the door, you'll notice the racing-inspired bucket seats, which provide much more support than the stock seats. These seats are finished in black and red leather, giving the interior a sporty yet luxurious feel. The steering wheel has been swapped out for a custom model wrapped in Alcantara with red stitching, a small but significant detail that ties the interior together. The center console is also redesigned with a custom infotainment system that includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system for those long drives or track days. One of the coolest modifications is the new digital dashboard. Instead of the traditional analog gauges, this Civic has a fully digital display, providing all the essential information in real time. You can monitor things like engine temperature, boost pressure, and even lap times if you're taking this car to the track. This is an awesome feature for anyone who likes to keep an eye on their car's performance while on the road or during spirited driving sessions. But the modifications don't stop there. Let's talk about the tech. This modified Civic is equipped with a reprogrammed ECU engine control unit, which optimizes the engine's performance and throttle response. The result? A Civic that's quicker off the line, more responsive when you press the gas pedal, and overall more engaging to drive. The handling has also been fine-tuned with the addition of an upgraded limited slip differential. This ensures that power is distributed more evenly to the wheels, especially during hard acceleration or sharp cornering. This is a huge upgrade in terms of performance and gives the car better traction, making it feel more planted on the road. Another key modification is the advanced driver assistance systems. While the stock 2026 Honda Civic already comes with lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and collision mitigation, this modified version has those systems recalibrated to be more intuitive and less intrusive. This makes the driving experience more enjoyable, as the systems complement the car's performance without detracting from it. You still get all the safety benefits, but they feel more connected to the car rather than overbearing. Let's not forget the overall look of the car. The custom wrap on this 2026 Civic is one of the standout features. The car is finished in a deep, matte, metallic color that shifts between dark blue and purple depending on the light. This color isn't just for show. It's a protective wrap that helps maintain the integrity of the original paint while giving the car a unique head-turning appearance. The wrap complements the custom body kit, wheels, and aggressive stance, making this Civic look like it belongs on the track or in a car show. Now, if you're wondering about the price, you're looking at a significant investment for a build like this. The base price of the 2026 Honda Civic is reasonable, but with all the upgrades, body kit, wheels, suspension, engine mods, interior upgrades, and tech, you're looking at an additional $40 zeros, Euro 0 to $50 zeros, Euro 0. But if you're someone who wants a car that's not only practical, but also incredibly fun to drive, this investment is well worth it. So, there you have it, a fully modified 2026 Honda Civic that's been taken to the next level. With performance upgrades, a custom body kit, tech enhancements, and a killer interior, this build is the perfect example of how to transform an already great car into something truly special. Whether you're into street racing, show cars, or just enjoying an upgraded driving experience, this modified Civic checks all the boxes. If you're thinking about doing a similar build, remember, it's not just about throwing parts onto the car. It's about making sure everything works together to enhance the driving experience. The 2026 Civic, with these modifications, isn't just about looking cool, it's about performance, handling, and an overall thrilling driving experience. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment down below with your thoughts on this build, and subscribe for more car content. What's your dream car modification? Drop a comment and let us know. We'll catch you in the next one.